Hi, today we are going to learn very exciting project which is the evolution of life, and here I shall be covering everything to the utmost level, and at the end of this video you can be able to execute this project by your own. So we start with the contents. Some facts of our solar system: origin of universe, origin of our solar system, origin of earth and conditions on primitive earth, origin of life also called as biopoiesis, theories of origin of life, modern or chemosynthetic or naturalistic or materialistic theory of life, chemical evolution also called as chemogeny, summary of steps in the origin of life. Our universe. Some facts of our universe. Our universe is formed of about 100,000 million galaxies. A galaxy is a group of about 10,000 million stars. These galaxies appears to be moving away from one another. Sun is also a star, and the study of the universe is called cosmology. Our planet Earth belongs to spirally shaped galaxies called as Akashganga galaxy, which is also called as Milky Ways. Our solar system includes Sun, its planets, their satellites, comets and asteroids. It is formed of 8 planets named as Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets rotates on their axes and also revolves around the sun in elliptic orbits. Each planet has its own speed. For example, 29.6 km per second for Earth and 48 km per second for Mercury. And the sun lies in the center of our solar system. Satellites are the moons of the planet. These revolves around their planet. Earth has a single moon while Saturn has 9 moons. Jupiter has 12 moons while Mercury and Venus have no moons. Each planet and or its satellite also spin on its own axis. Earth is a part of our solar system and it's about 148.7 million kilometers away from the sun and has 3 parts, that is bryosphere, pyrosphere, lithosphere. Next is the origin of universe. The whole universe is formed of matter and energy. Scientists believe that it began roughly about 10 to 13,000 million years ago as a vast, dense, red hot and rotating gaseous clouds of cosmic dust called as primeval matter or YLM. The latter probably consisted of neutrons, protons and electrons like particles of matter and antiparticles of antimatter. The next is origin of solar system. Most widely accepted view of origin of our solar system is Nebular hypothesis by Kant. And the Nebular hypothesis states that about 10,000 to 20,000 million ago there was a highly condensed mass of cosmic material. This mass of cosmic material exploded to form numerous pieces of cosmic material called nebulae. One of such nebulae led to origin of our solar system. A nebula was a cold, cloudy mass of dust and gases. Next is origin of Earth and conditions on primitive Earth. Our Earth is a part of the solar system. It is believed that the Earth, along with other planets of the solar system, originated from cooler and less denser peripheral part of a common nebula. the period of origin of Earth is proposed to be about 4500 to 5000 million years ago. In the beginning, it was spinning ball of hot gases and various vapors of elements like hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. But due to gradual cooling, the gases condensed into molten core and different elements got stratified according to their density. Okay, so heavy metals like iron, nickel, etc. formed the solid core of Earth, while the lightest elements like helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, etc. formed its gaseous atmosphere. Surface temperature of primitive Earth was about 5000 to 6000 degrees Celsius. There was no oxygen, no free oxygen in its atmosphere, so being non-oxygenic. Atmospheric condition was proposed to be reducing. Origin of life, also called as biopoiesis. Life is a inherent power of an organism to use materials and energy of the environment in its metabolism and to reproduce before death. And the theories for origin of life are as under. First of all, the theory of special creation. It was strongly believed that up to the middle of 19th century, it states living organisms were formed on our planet by some supernatural power called God or Creator. The living organisms were formed all of a sudden and out of nothing in a ready made form. There was no interrelation between these organisms. These have not undergone any change since their formulation. Their body parts were specially designed to meet the needs of their particular environment. Next is abiogenesis. So it states that life originated abiocally, matlab means from non-living materials by spontaneous generation. It was widely accepted up to 17th century.